today I'm going to show you guys my quick and simple keto peanut butter cookie recipe. This is my first time making them, and I kind of just went by like an original peanut butter cookie recipe, and I just made it keto. So I'm gonna leave all of the ingredients and the measurements in the description below. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you guys do like the recipe, please comment down below, because I do like to see your cookies when you get done with them. So the first step we're going to do is we're going to combine all of our dry ingredients together, which is our almond flour, our baking powder, and a little bit of salt. And yeah, that's it for this one. So the next step would be for us to combine our butter, our cream cheese, our peanut butter, and our sugar all into one. Alright, so now guys, we're gonna go ahead and put that one egg in and combine that up until everything is blended. Also, we're gonna add a tablespoon of our vanilla extract. So right here, I added a little bit more sugar because it wasn't sweet enough. It called for half a cup, but I didn't use half a cup because I'm using like a sugar substitute. So that's why I added a little bit more sugar. Alright guys, so now since we have our wet and dry ingredients blended well, we're going to just now mix them all together into one bowl. Alright, so now that we have everything mixed up, we're just going to grab a spoonful of our batter and we're going to roll it into small little balls. And then I put the crisscross fork in them for the traditional peanut butter cookie recipe. Alright, so now that we have everything looking good, we're going to place those in the oven on the middle rack. Alright, so we're going to set a timer for 15 minutes. I actually did 20 because it took longer, maybe because something was in the oven. Alright guys, so this is the final product of our cookies. They look so delicious. I'm ready to eat them up. So they do have this soft and gooey inside how I like. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Thanks for watching.